Hello, students. Welcome back to the Super Memory for Schools program. My name is Oanh. I'm very happy to be with you in this lesson. Today, we're going to learn the topic Walk to School, Sounds and Letters. What letters do we have today? Let's find out. Okay, I would like to introduce my new friend. Her name is Sue. Hello, Sue. Welcome to my class. And now, let's start with a song to review the letters. Are you ready? Let's sing together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. Do you remember the next letters? Yes, students. These are letters W and X. Today, we're going to learn how to say and pronounce the letters W and X. Let's start with the capital and small letters. This is the capital letter W, and the next one is lowercase. Okay? You listen.
Letter W. W.
Wa. Wa. It's your turn. I can't hear you. Say again. Good job, students. Now, what do we have for letter W? Let's see.
W. Woman. W. Woman.
Wa. Woman. Wa, woman. Wa, woman. She's a woman. Okay, the next one.
W. Wall.
Wa, wall. Wa, wall. Wa, wall. It's a wall. Excellent, students. And the next one.
W.
Wet.
Wa, wet. Wa, wet. Wa, wet. It's wet. Okay, students, let's practice with the letter W. In this game, you have to guess what's behind the bricks. Now, look carefully and answer my questions. What's this? Do you remember? Yes. Wa, wet. Wa, wet. It's wet. Good job, students. How about this one? What's this? Can you guess it? Excellent. Wa, woman. Wa, woman. She's a woman. And the next one. What's this, students? Can you find the answer? Good job. Wa, wall. Wa, wall. It's a wall. Wow, awesome job. Okay, students, we will move to the next letter, X. Now, let's see. This is the capital letter X, and the next one is lowercase. Let's listen.
Letter X.
X. X. X. Now, it's your turn. Wow, excellent! You have a good voice, students. So now, what do we have for the letter X?
X. Box.
X. box, box, box. It's a box. Okay, and the next one. Listen.
Fox,
Fox, fox, fox. It's a fox. And the last one. Listen.
Ox,
Ox, ox, ox. It's an ox. Now, let's practice with the letter X. You will look at the picture and these letters here. Please find and match the letters to answer the question. What's this? Are you ready? What's the first picture? What's this? Can you find the answer? Yes, fox. 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 It's a fox. Okay, students, how about this one? Very easy, right? Yes. Ox. Ox. It's an ox. And the last one. Can you guess it? Yes. Very good, students. Box. Box. It's a box. Good job, students. Look at the sounds and letters again. We have the letter W. 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 Woman. W. W. Wall. W. W. Wet. And the next letter, we have the letter X. 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 Box. X. X. Fox. X. X. Ox. Good job, students. Do you want to play some games? Of course. Me too. So, I have the first game for you. In this game, you have to choose the correct sound for each picture. Let's see. Do you remember? Yes, she's a woman. What sound does woman have? Good job. The sound is W. Now, let's say W, W, woman. W, W, woman. Okay, it's your turn. What's this? Excellent. It's an ox. What sound does ox have? Good job, students. X, 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 ox, x, x, ox. It's an ox. We will move to the next one. What's this? Can you find the sound? Great. The sound is x, 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 fox, x, x, fox. And the next one. What's this? Good job, students. It's wet. So what sound does wet have? Good job. The sound is wa, wa, wet. Wa, wa, wet. You're doing great, students. And the next one. What's this? Yes, it's a box. So, what sound does box have? Yes, the sound is x. So you match the letter X. X, x, box. X, x, box. And the next one. What's this? Yes, it's a wall. What sound does wall have? Okay, students, the sound is w, wall. W, wall. Wow, you're doing great. After break time, Sue takes some letters away. Can you find them? If you have the answers, I have some gifts for you. Are you excited? Now look at the first picture. What's this? Yes, students, it's an ox. What's the missing letter here? Good job! The missing letter is letter X. Open this box. Wow, a pink candy. So sweet! And the next one. What's this? Good job, students. It's wet. So what's the missing letter? The missing letter is W. Okay, let's see. Wow, lots of balloons. And the next one. What's this? Okay, it's a wall. The missing letter is W. Good job, students. Open your present. Wow, 2 lollipops. It's so sweet. Yummy. Now, what's this? It's a box. So, the missing letter is... What's this, students? Yes, letter X. Open this box. It's a ball. Do you like playing soccer? I like it. And the next one. Who is she? Excellent. She's a woman. And the missing letter is letter W. Okay, let's see. Wow, a piece of cake. So yummy, students. And the last one. What's this? Good job, students. It's a fox. So what's the missing letter? Yes, the missing letter is X. Open your present. Wow, it's a car. Do you like driving a car? Yes, me too. You're very excellent, students. Our lesson has finished. Can you collect what you learned into your school bag? Okay, let's find the words of the things you can see in the picture. Are you ready? Let's go. Now, what's the first? Look, what's this? Very good, students. It's a wall. You put wall into your school bag. And the next one. What's this? It's a fox. Can you find fox? Excellent. Put it into your bag. What's this? It's wet. Can you find wet? Good job. And the next one. Let's see. Who is she? She's a woman. Very good, students. Now the next one. What's this? Yes, it's a box. And the last one. Look at the animal. What's this? It's an ox. You're very smart, students. Okay, finished. Well done, students. Now let's summarize what we have learned today. Okay, students, we have two new sounds and letters. Letters W, W. W for woman, W for wall, W for wet. And letter X, X. X for box, X for fox, and X for ox. After this lesson, Sue has two flowers that she wants to give you. But on each flower, you need two more words. Can you find them? Try your best. This lesson ends here. I hope that it's very useful to you. Goodbye and see you in the next lesson of the Super Memory for Schools program. Have a nice day. Goodbye.